really enjoy the challenge of making sculptures. It's like I can use, you know, things from very different kind of areas. Like I can tap into my the subtle, creative kind of feelings I have about the world, but I can also use reduction science and technology and all sorts of cutting-edge things to kind of, you know, make the vision become real. Quantum meditation is a monumental figure. It's a female figure in a kneeling pose, and she is 10 feet tall in that pose. She consists of evenly spaced slices of stainless steel with gaps in between. So you look at her in the direction of her gaze, she seems to disappear. From all the other angles, she looks like solid steel. It's going to be a public art piece which will go in front of the New Virgin Hotel in Dallas, Texas. Before she gets installed in Texas, she'll go on a road trip, going to Michigan, Grand Rapids, Michigan, to the Art Prize Festival, and then in December she will go to the Miami Art Fair and will be displayed there. So the idea to make sliced pieces comes from my research of physics, when I asked myself how would a human being look like if it was sent through this type of experiment that we did at that time, which is a quantum physics experiment. So the human would be conceived of as consisting of wave fronts, and those wave fronts I envision as slices. In my youth I was a painter. I was really interested in painting, and I had the idea I wanted to become an artist, and that meant in that case a painter. That was when I was 18 or 19. When a little later I decided to stop with art making and decided to get involved in physics. I enrolled into university and studied physics for 8 years. And then at some point I decided to switch back into art, and when I moved to the US and I enrolled into art college, and then very soon after that I started making sculptures, which I had never done before. Initially inspired by protein structure, and then more and more inspired by the human figure. Right now we are at the pretty much the final step almost. I just wrote it down actually, there's like 14 major steps in making a sculpture like this. We're at step 11. And 11 means we're assembling the slices that are all welded with like pins already. So that's like a few week process where we actually assemble the work.